guys, we are from OPTIC Laser. Today, I'm gonna tell you how to operate 1 kilowatt handheld fiber laser welding machine. Let's start. The first step is make sure that your machine connects to electricity. Here. The second step is turn on power supply switch to control whole machine. Here. The next step is to turn on emergency stop to control whole machine here. And then you will see that the monitor is light on. Next, to unlock the key to control the monitor system here. After you unlock, click return. And then you can start to set parameter already. And the next button is water chiller. Press on it. And then here, you will see the monitor is on. And next step is come to check back side of machine that the wind is blow away or not. Here, after you press water chiller button and you will feel that the wind blew away from the back side of machine. And the next step is to connect the pipe to water chiller here. And the next step is to filling water into cooling system. Here is the pipe that have two sides. The first side put on here the replacement hole like this. And the other side put into water. And one thing you need to remember that have to press on water supply switch here until you finish absorb water. Alright, now we finish absorb water, then take the pipe out. We finish. And the next button is laser button to control laser source. Press on it. This is latest laser source, the best brand in China. The first step is to turn on emergency stop. And then unlock the key to REM. You can see that the laser is light on. And now we already finished to turn on every button. Next, we're ready to weld. Close here. And lock. Please remember 4 important steps before you start to weld. And the first step is to turn on gas valve like this. After we turn on the gas valve, then we connect the pipeline into the machine like this. And the second step is to wear gloves like this. And remember you need to wear goggles to protect your eye before welding, like this. The first step is safety clip. Before you start to welding, you have to put safety clip on the material what you are going to weld like this. If you not put on material what you are going to weld, the laser beam will not come out. And now we're ready for welding. Here is 2 pieces of 1 mm stainless steel. Remember that before you welding, you have to put brace clip on material what you are going to weld first, like this. machine. We will start from monitor first like this. And next is to set off laser source. And here. Remember that when you finish to turn off anything, please don't forget to take off gas pipe. And then, if you are interested on 1 kilowatt handheld fiber laser welding machine, please contact us here.